Alright, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Binance the quick and easy way so you can buy crypto with Canadian funds. So first you want to register, put in an email, put in password, whoops, hit create account, drag the puzzle piece over, ask for your email verification, go to your email. Once your email pops up, click in there, get the 6-digit code, put in the code, you'll be in Binance. Now what we want to do is we want to buy crypto using Binance P2P. You scroll up to fiat, type in CAD for Canadian dollars, and we will see a list come in. So what this is showing you is we are looking to buy USDT, which is Tether, and then we can use USDT to buy any other cryptocurrency that we need. So what I like to look for here is obviously number one is the price. So this is $1.32 per $1 of USDT, and each seller is different, and it shows you how much USDT they have available and their payment type. So we're going to look for Interact. I like to look over here for 100% completion with a nice amount of orders with a number of dollars available, USDT. So we'd go over here. So we'd look at this guy. Looks good. Well, he has a high limit. So we'll look for somebody else with a lower limit. So say we want 300. Click buy USDT. We have to make sure that we are verified in order to do this. So after you do your verification, we'll be back at this screen. And what you want to do is you want to look for the limit to see how much you want to spend. So if you only want to spend $100, you come here. If you only spend $1,000, you have to be within their range because each individual is different. So if we come over here to, let's say, King World over here, their $300 limit, you would hit buy USDT. You get this screen. It tells you the price, the time you have to pay, how much is available, and then what you would want to do is say 300. It tells you how much you would get for your 300. You click buy USDT. Successfully placed. It's going to transfer us over, and it's going to show us what we have to do here. So what you'd have to do is, if you're using Interact, you would have to send an Interact e-transfer to this account. So you go to your online bank, put this in, put the $300 amount in, and then hit transfer. So once you're done that and you do the transfer, you would come in here to your wallet, down to P2P, and this is where your USD Tether will be. So our $227 would be here because that's what we get, and all you have to do is transfer, and you would want to transfer from P2P to your spot wallet. Hit max, so it'd be 227, or you just hit max and then you hit confirm transfer, and then your money will go into your spot wallet, and then from there you can go into the market and buy whatever crypto you want. Okay, I hope this was real helpful, guys. Make sure to sign up using my link down below for 5% rebate on all trading fees. Have a good one.